Guys, there's a plane taking off. It's gonna fly straight over us. That's a A320. Finnair, I just checked flight radar. Guys, it's literally coming so close. Oh, stupid bridge. Alright. Look. That's so cool. You can even see it's an A320. That's so cool. Guys, look at where we are. The airport. Once again. You know, it's not that far actually. Like, it's not that long to drive. But yeah, so expect a lot of plane spotting videos. Also, I brought my camera. Might be shooting with that one as well. Or taking pictures, not shooting. ATC, and then there's a Scania OmniLink. I think those are gonna retire soon if it was the other Scania version. I know it was an OmniLink though. Cool. We're here, and look, we have our Ryanair. It's about to take off. And yeah, you better pretty much see everything here. Guys, the Ryanair just took off. He's banking. That's so cool. And then we got a Scandinavian Airlines, I think. Or if it's a Lufthansa, I can't really see that yet. Oh, it's blue on the back. I know that. This even better space a bit down from there, but and then we got it was a Lufthansa. I just checked flight radar 24. Yeah, you can see that's a Lufthansa. Wow, he's going to take off. Guys, he's gonna take off.
Så var planet ens igång. Där är planet.
Wow, he's taking off, guys. He's banking. Wait, where is it? Oh, there it is. He's banking. That was so cool. And for part 2, guys.